Good day. I am meteorologist Connor Tully on the night watch at the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center, New York. It is about actually 3 o'clock GMT on Monday, March 27th. In this video, I'll give a quick overview of some potential heavy weather concerns across the North Atlantic to close out the month of March. Starting with a quick satellite overview of the North Atlantic, and right away we see our main feature concern at the moment is this large, well-defined gale located several hundred miles east of Newfoundland. A well-defined occluded front currently extends north and eastward away from the center of the system, which eventually transitions into a cold front that extends through the Azores and down into the central Atlantic. Now I'm taking a quick look at the jet stream pattern. We see currently a well-defined upper-level low is co-located over our surface gale, with an upper-level ridge immediately to the east, which is currently blocking the forward progress of the gale. Over the next couple of days, this ridge will move eastward over the British Isles, which will allow this upper level low and the surface gale to slowly lift northeastward. Over time, it broadens into a trough. As this happens, we see our jet stream becoming more zonal across the North Atlantic, extending from the southern mid-Atlantic coast of the United States to northwestern Europe. This will allow additional lows to move more quickly from the United States to Europe. And now we'll close by looking at the impact of shipping over the next few days. Again, we'll start with a gale east of Newfoundland. We see an area of gales and high seas in excess of 7 meters to the north of the center. We can also see another area of gales and high seas, in this case in excess of 8 meters south of the center, especially near 40 north and 40 west. Very rough seas in excess of 4 meters, shown in yellow, extend as far south as 28 north. One thing to note is that weather near the immediate low center is comparatively lighter, with much lighter winds and significant wave heights below 5 meters. Over the next couple of days, this low will gradually broaden out and lift to the northeast. One thing to note is that weather continues to remain light within the low center. This is important as some transatlantic routes, especially between the United States and Northern Europe, could take advantage of this by traveling near the low center while avoiding the heaviest weather. This will allow a vessel to minimize the weather it faces without having to make significant deviations well to the south. As this low continues to lift northeastward, we do see another low pressure area that moves off the coast of the United States on the 28th, and then gradually moves east and eventually east-northeastward as it deepens, becoming a storm by 0Z on the 30th. We'll zoom in and watch as this system continues to move east-northeastward over the next couple of days. And by the night of the 30th into the morning of the 31st, we could see gales and high seas potentially in the excess of 9 meters in the Celtic Sea, northern Bay of Biscay, and the far western English Channel. While exact details will likely change over the next couple of days, we are looking at heavy weather likely for vessels going in and out of the English Channel late this week, which could pose significant routing concerns at that time. And to close, we'll look at one last thing that we'll have to watch for the rest of spring, and that is the icebergs in the northwestern Atlantic. The latest iceberg limits are denoted by this white line, and icebergs are present in the Labrador Sea as well as a few hundred miles southeast of Newfoundland, currently as far as about 44 north, 46 west. These limits will have to be watched over the next several days and really for the rest of the spring to see how they impact potential transatlantic shipping routes. This has been meteorologist Connor Tully at the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center in New York. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn to receive all the latest weather and routing news. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and safe.